I'm back with another video. It's gonna be a stripper vlog, but first I'm finna unbox this outfit. I'm finna unbox this little mystery box.
Tell them shop Tailor Made.
Shop the Tailor Made collection, period. So, it's the mystery box. It's 5 outfits in here for $50, right?
Yeah. 5 major boutique items.
5 major boutique items for $50. Mystery items, so you don't know what you're getting. I can't wait to open it, y'all. You recording? Oh shit. Y'all, she packed it like it was getting fistful of it. Don't fucking play. Shop the collection, y'all. Okay. Ooh, y'all. It's cute.
I think you would look cute as fuck up in that. Damn, I ran out of storage. Up in that outfit. Definitely, you gotta have a body for that.
Okay, y'all, look at this.
Period.
Look at this. I love fucking why. Why the fuck she snapped like this? Get into the details. Tailor 2021.
Period. You know, it's our year. It's our year.
Free lashes comes with it. Okay, bitch, you fucking snaps. Okay. Oh, it's a one piece. I should try this on. I should do a whole
I'm telling you, your body gonna be snatched.
This outfit number 1, y'all. Hey, do not fucking play. Giving, bitch. Okay, outfit number 2, y'all. Giving. And then it comes with this. So this is actually like a little 3-piece outfit house. Every fucking, if y'all know. This is a dress that who had this on? Ari?
I think I saw a dream of that.
Ari, Dream, Jada, whoever the hell. It's a 2-tone dress, black and red on the front and back. And then if you lace it up, it'll be just like laced on the side. Ass out. Dang, y'all. This dress, I got one of these dresses already, so that's why I'm not putting it on, because she gonna try this out and give me a different item. Okay, this is the 4th outfit right here. Then the lashes and the cup is 5 and 6. So you get a total of 6 items, 5 or 6 items in a box for $50. Okay? So tap in. Shop Tailor Made. Shop the motherfucking Isis collection for the wigs. Okay? Because we lit. Like, we just lit. That was a little try-on haul. I love this little jogger though. Like, it's just comfortable, and I said I wanted to be comfortable too, and she understood the fucking assignment, y'all. She understood it very fucking well.
So we know Gila used the share my location feature to send her boyfriend a text, but here we have
Stay tuned, be on the lookout for my next vlog, cause we on a road trip, low key, but we have to stop and get us some money first. Hopefully. Shit.
There ain't no way out this motherfucker.
Bitch. They better have some motherfucking money down here tonight. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video. This gonna be, how many days we leave? A 4-day vlog.
Yeah.
So it might be a little long, but y'all gotta just bear with me because it's gonna be lit. Like, we got a whole road trip ahead tomorrow that I just planned yesterday.
Today, shit.
Literally. Was it today? No, it was yesterday because I was like, I've been trying to go to,
yeah.
Yeah. That I planned yesterday and we leaving tomorrow, so shit.
Now your firm doesn't endorse any one of these products.
Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, turn on post notifications on.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Roll up, backwards, yeah, I need 2 of them. If a nigga disrespect me, you know from them shooting him.